everyone, welcome to the last day of our 10-day DIY challenge. So today's recipe is for all the pet parents out there. Today's recipe is a DIY pet wipe. Now whenever your dog is has skipped a bath or in between baths or has sensitive itchy skin, this pet wipe can be of great use. And even otherwise, now in case you're not a pet parent, do not leave right now, because I am going to show you how this can easily be used by humans as well. So stick around for that. Let's quickly see how to make this recipe. It's a very super easy recipe, and let me show you how to make it. So the first ingredient you need is green tea. So I have a green tea bag here. I've just allowed it to steep in hot water. So I have allowed it to steep. You need to allow it to steep for 1 or 2 minutes. So you need the green tea extract, that a half cup of that, and then you need half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Now again, apple cider vinegar, you need to go for a brand that comes with the mother, that is the most organic and the most the best brand out there, like the best version of apple cider vinegar out there. In case you don't want to buy apple cider vinegar, it is very, very simple to make apple cider vinegar at home, and as I've shared before, so you can just refer back to that previous video where I've shared how to make apple cider vinegar. I'll be leaving it in the comments below again. So you need about half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and then finally you need about 1 cup of distilled water. Again, as I've shared before, distilled water is nothing but filtered boiled water that is cooled down. So you just need to mix all these 3 ingredients, put it into a spray bottle, and then spray this on your pet and wipe in the opposite direction of his or her hair growth. So this is how this pet wipe can be used on pets. Now I also said that it can be used on humans. So in case you have very sensitive skin and skin that flares up easily, and you want to have like a very, very safe DIY toner, then this is the recipe for you. You can just mix all of these ingredients and use this recipe on your skin instead of the other recipe that I told that day, because we are adding an extra ingredient here, which is green tea, which is an antioxidant and gives a boost of antioxidants and all of those things that make you look young and brightens your skin. So that is the reason this would be a great fit for people with sensitive skin, with acne prone skin, etc. So you can use this as a DIY toner instead of that day's toner. So this was the recipe for today. It's a very, very simple recipe. In case you want to spruce it up a little, again you can add a little bit of essential oil into this. Now in case you're using it on your dog and you're adding essential oil, I would recommend you use either lavender essential oil or lemongrass essential oil. These are the 2 pet safe essential oils, but you don't use more than 1 or 2 drops for the entire mixture. So that 1 or 2 drops will go a big way in adding that smell and adding all of those properties into the wipe. Now the same is the case with the for your the toner. In case you want to spruce it up, you can add any kind of essential oil of your choice. Add about 4 to 5 drops. So this was all for today's recipe. I hope you guys do try it out, and if you do, share it back with me. So with this, we come to the end of the 10-day DIY challenge. I hope you guys had fun. I had a lot of fun, sharing these recipes with you, sharing whatever little bit I know from around the home with you all, and I hope you guys also had some kind of takeaway from all of this. Now, before leaving, I would just like to add that no matter what we are doing in our journey, we are all part of this group because we want to live more mindful. We want to live a more mindful, more eco-conscious, more sustainable existence on this earth. So no matter where we are on our journey and what we are doing, however big or small, I think we should applaud ourselves, because we are making a difference. Even if it is even if it is just a single thing that we're doing, if it is composting, or even if it is something as small as making our own bioenzyme, or making our own DIY products, or even recycling our plastic things. So whatever it is, I think it's great. It's the first step that matters always. And also, more than that, I think we are setting the right example for our kids, that is for the future generation who are watching us all the time. So I think that is a great thing, and I'm so proud of all of you for accompanying me on this journey. So thanks once again, and I'll see you next time with a new video. Thanks, bye.